Hi guys, I'm Owen of VANTREKK and Lifestyle, and for those of you who watch us all the time, you're going to recognize this hill because Lynn and I, well, we're home. And we're going to pop in here live and do two things. The first is let you know that Hurricane Lee is headed towards the Maritime provinces in Canada, and a lot of you, and I mean a lot of you, have reached out to us to make sure we know about that and that we're safe. Well, we ended up cutting our trip a little short because of a lot of reasons, and weather was one of those reasons. But we'll continue to share the rest of Nova Scotia and all of Newfoundland with you in future Sunday videos. But if you don't want folks to know your business, and we suggest not having a YouTube channel, because when we shared we were having trouble with our rad e-bike, well, we were flooded with emails and calls and texts about, we have a bike that we think you'll like. We have a scooter that we think you'll like. About this time last year, we went on a tour of the Georgia state parks, camping in this Echo. And even though my back was hurting, I tried out a scooter and loved it. So one of the things we said yes to was a scooter from this company, Ausom. I guess that's how you say it. If I had this company, that's how I would pronounce their name, Ausom. So today, first thing first, let's unbox this and let me show you what's inside this box. Well, this thing is well packaged. There's a box inside of a box. Getting this out of this box, let's see if I turn it up this way. If I can. We have it out of its shipping box, so now let's cut into the box that it's packaged in. Once you open the box, this is what you're going to see. It's packaged this way because, well, it's a very heavy scooter. Go. Now, see if I can clean up some of this mess now. Okay, so now that I have it all cleaned up and everything put away, let's hook it up and let it charge for a few minutes to get a little bit of charge on the battery. Okay, she's charged up, it's ready to go. I have a helmet on because, well, I've only ridden a scooter one other time. And the worst part is we live on a really steep driveway that goes to a gravel road before it gets on the pavement. So the very first time I ride, it's probably going to be the most difficult time for this thing and for me. But let's see how I do. Up this hill I go. I think I need to put it, I don't know, I don't need to be going 20 miles an hour. I'm going to leave it in 1. See how she does going up this hill. Whoa, it did a wheelie. Yeah, it's not going to go up this hill. All right, I'll just walk it up this steep hill. Yeah, we're flying now. Yeah. But it will not climb hills. Okay, let's see if I can make it around the neighborhood. First off, this thing is fun. Wow, it'll do a wheelie. And here's another big hill in mode 2, 20 miles an hour. Let's see how fast it'll go up this hill in mode 2. 14, 10, 9, speeding up a little bit now, 10, 11, 12. Wow. Okay, so it does slow down on these mountain hills like this, but it's a lot of fun. It's more fun than I thought it was going to be. Is it a replacement for a bike? I don't know. I think maybe the better I get at riding it, the closer it will become. I think now I'll ride around a little bit more and then head back and let's put the seat on it and see how sturdy that makes you. Yeah, that's right. This thing has an adjustable seat that also has shock absorbers built into that. And let's just see how more stable I am that way, because this is going to take a little bit. But I got to tell you, I'm 65. I don't heal like I used to. I'm afraid of getting scratches and cuts because those don't heal. But this thing is, I don't know how else to say it. It's awesome and it's fun. Wow, that was a lot of fun. We may take this over to a greenway and see exactly how it operates alongside a bike. That might be a great thing to do with this today. I want to thank the folks at Ausom for sending this to me. This is the Ausom Leopard, and it's got a huge 1,000-watt motor on it, all the suspension. It's built like a tank. You can just bounce up and down on it, and I don't know, can you tell? I'm loving it. So we came over to the greenway and we're going to take it out on a flat surface and ride for a while. So let's see, I'm going to take it out of the car. Let's see how hard it is to get out of the car. It's not, you know, you can carry it with one hand. It's not light for sure, but it's not difficult to do. Then there's a piece down here that locks in place. Pick it up. Tighten this piece here, and man, it's ready to go. I did adjust the power of the motor. I took it down by 75% so it won't be as strong when we're on the road like this. So I'm going to see how that does. I'll go a little ways, then Lynn's going to meet me over here and we'll let her get on it. And I adjusted how fast it starts off. And what I did, adjusted the throttle too. So before the throttle was like on and off, now it's more like what I would expect it to be. It's a percentage of power. Hey, that was the one thing that I was thinking that I didn't like, but I can already tell that adjustment makes a huge difference. Yeah, that helps a lot. That's a perfect thing. That's how I would expect. That's a lot of fun. That's a lot of fun right there. Okay, let's I'll get it set up so that you can ride it now.
Okay.
I'll put it on power setting 1 and then let's see how you do.
Okay.
Okay, dear, give it some throttle and go.
I'm scared. I am.
You did it. You did it. Look at that. If you've never done this before, the words she said there, I'm scared, it is a little bit different. You know, having on a skateboard like that, we really have never ridden a skateboard or a scooter like that before. Let's see how she does with turns. She's looking like a pro coming up through here with a grin on her face. Okay. I was going to ask her how she's doing, but she just kept on going.
I like it.
You like it?
I do.
It was a little
of it being, if I could balance.
Yeah.
But it's really easy. Watch.
You're going to show off now, what?
Yeah.
Look at this. Man, just go, girl. Your second time riding this thing. Wow. It's awesome, guys. I'm telling you, it's just... Yeah, I know it's a little harder to turn around, but it doesn't have a turning radius. You could spin the tires. So what do you think?
I like it. I like it a lot.
It's fun, isn't it?
I don't know how to get it on the other modes.
This button, Press it once and it'll go to 2. It will start out a little bit faster than it did last time. It'll have a maximum speed of about 18 now, I think. Now let's see how you do.
Yeah.
Look at you. Yeah, that's more fun on 2. When you come back, set it on 3 and you'll be really grinning. She's booking over there now. I'm so glad she likes it too. It's really cool. So the real question for us is going to be, can this replace a bicycle that we can take with us for really quick head out, go somewhere, maybe go grab a sandwich, or if something happens in the van, being able to ride out to the road and flag down somebody, you know, those kind of things. Will it replace it for that purpose? And I don't know yet. I can tell you right now, it's a lot of fun. So if it's just going to be because of fun, yeah, we can replace the bikes because of that. We do need to figure out how we're going to take a little Magpie with us. I don't know how we'd put a Toto basket on this thing, but I'm not going to get ahead of myself and think that we're going to end up with 2 of them. But what it does provide, if we can make that work, it'll fit inside the back compartment of the Echo. I mean, it doesn't need nearly that much room to be able to be in there, and it's light enough that one person can pick up. You were booking.
I know, it'll fly.
Did you put it on 3? Did you put it on 3?
No.
It'll.
I'm not sure.
And it's at 75% of the speed right now, so it'll fly. It'll go 34 miles an hour.
I went 22.
22 is so fast on.
It is when
on a
you're
little scooter.
When you're out in the open and you don't have anything around.
So you've only ridden a little bit. Do you see this replacing a bike at any point?
I don't think it would replace it because I still like to ride the bike and get exercise and stuff. You know, this to tool around on. This is a lot of fun. You know, just riding on this trail and stuff. It's a lot of fun. I like it a lot.
So I've got it on mode 3 now, so I'm going to fly around this corner. Let's see how it goes. Hey buddy, see you later. Yeah, this thing. Miles an hour, 26, 27, squirrels going in front of me, oh boy. So there you can see 48.5 miles you can go on this charge. Just counted the bars. It's 7 out of 10 bars, so it's at 70%. I wish it just said 70%, but you can kind of tell from the bars. It's better than having 3 or 4 bars. You have to kind of go from 100% to 75. At least you can tell with these, it's been perfect. So I'm going to hand it back over to Lynn and let her have some fun on it. So I know, like Lynn, a lot of you are going to say, nah, I'll just ride a bike because I want exercise. If I have the seat on this, I would agree with you that you're not going to get a lot of exercise. But my legs right now are jello. My core is burning. You have to balance yourself, and you have to stand there, and I'm telling you, it's a different kind of exercise. But I can tell I'm using muscles that I've never used before, or if I have, it's been a long, long time. So don't let someone tell you you're not going to get any exercise with this, because you are. So tell me what you think of the seat. What are your first thoughts?
Oh, wow. There's a lot of bounce.
There's a lot of give, isn't there? I had it set too low before. My knees were not right. We may need to lower it for you, but try it right there and see if it'll work just like that. Right. Let her rip. You're on 2. Guys, I'll wrap this up and tell you that, yeah, I'm not sure where our next trip will be. I'm thinking it'll be pretty soon. And I'm betting Unless I get a better one than that, I'm going to be taking that. $950 on Amazon. I'll put a link down below to both the website and their link on Amazon. There are a lot of scooters that you can buy for that price range. Is this the cheapest? Nope. Is it the most expensive? No, not at all. But value for the money you spend, I got to tell you, this one has to come way up there. I'm very, very happy with it. Very appreciative that they sent it to me. And for those of you that have been following us, we hope you'll keep following us. She's buzzing by. Look at that. She's zipping by. We hope you'll keep following us, because we're going to be putting out a few more videos in Nova Scotia as we travel around. And then we get on a ferry. We head over to Newfoundland. And we're glad you're part of our journey. Until we see you again soon, as we always say, looks like it's got a happy tail. I got a happy tail for sure. Maggie's got a happy tail after getting in the river. Happy tails, guys.